Hey guys, we're in Magnolia Landing. This is a DR Horton property, brand new inventory home. We've got resort pools, pickleball, bocce ball, fitness center, and a lot of fun activities for you to get to know your neighbors. This property is priced at about $321 and change. I can get it a lot lower, but you got to stay for the end to find out what that number is. There's also a few incentives I'll talk about at the end as well. Let's go on inside. Love this color scheme with the blue and cream. DR Horton has a fantastic product. We've got tile floors throughout. Only the bedrooms are carpeted, so they're nice, soft, and cozy. Want to go in here and show them? We've got bedrooms on both sides and a guest bath here. Shower tub combination tile walls. We've got the white cabinets and the quartz countertops. Take a peek. Linen closet here. We've got our 2-stall garage. You saw it when we were out there, so here's access to that. We have our laundry over here, mechanics closet, and this is our 3rd bedroom. We've got a closet right over here. You notice the carpeting. Okay, let's keep going. Back of the house really opens up nice. This is where the party is happening. Right here is going to be your dining space. You're going to swap that out, do a nice chandelier. You've got tons of cabinets and counters for cutting, prepping, and serving. You can do bar stools here. You can have your coffee bar set up here. You've got a fantastic walk-in pantry. You know I love those. I love this refrigerator that they have here with the pull-out. Somebody's getting an upgrade. That's great. Okay, and then the stainless steel Whirlpool appliances, white quartz. Think I mentioned that. Okay. Over here, we have our living room, plenty of room for our sofa, love seat, chairs, TV, the whole 9 yards. Over here is our owner's suite. It absolutely can accommodate king-size bed, chest of drawers on both sides, your dresser, and your TV over there. This here is our owner's bath. We've got the shower with the tile walls. We've got the double vanities. We have his and hers closet. This is his. This is hers. Hers has the little rack here for the purses and shoes or whatever she's going to be using, and then it's a total U shape of hanging space. Obviously, facilities. Let's go back to the kitchen. Oh, I forgot to show you the backyard. Okay, we've got a little paver spot here, roughly 8 by 10 space that you can screen in, of course. This is going to be a nice, private, quiet, and serene backyard. These preserves are going to stay here. They go way, way, way back. This is environmentally protected land, so they're not going to be disturbing that. This yard of yours is maintained by your HOA, which is very nominal, and you can put a pool in if you would like. Okay, got plenty of room for that. Not in a flood zone, so nothing crazy there. As I promised, if you stay to the end of the video, I'll tell you how much you can get this house for. You guys, they're asking $321 and change. I can get it under $300,000. Trust me. Also, I can get the builder to pay all of your closing costs. Also, if you need a mortgage with minimum down, we can get you an interest rate buy down into the mid-5s, about 5.5. It's going to change on the daily, but mid-5s. That means you can afford more house than you think. And because I'm getting the price down, you're getting more house there too. You can buy more, get more, and save more by doing inventory properties right now. It's a buyer's market. I would love to help you out, but it's going to be your home. It's your deal. Let's do this.